What if you could build the life you've imagined from the ground up? When you start with an empty lot, that's exactly what happens. You're not just buying a house, you're creating your dream home, one choice at a time. Picture mornings gathered around a sunlit kitchen island that feels like the true heart of your home. Imagine choosing finishes that echo your personality, whether that's a statement backsplash or the warmth of hand-picked hardwood floor. From the moment you select your home site, considering sunrise coffee or sunset dinners, you'll have the freedom to choose a floor plan that truly fits. Step into our design studio, where every decision is brought to life, and feel the excitement of watching your future unfold in real time. With our design experts by your side, you'll always know where you stand. Transparent costs, no surprises. Even a behind-the-walls tour before drywall goes up, so you can see the quality built into your home long before move-in. In as little as 6 months, your vision becomes a home, crafted with 75 years of expertise and protected by a 10-year structural warranty. Because your story deserves a home built to last. Visit Pulte.com or a community near you to start building your dream home.